sa experience mo, no, delivering so many digital transformational projects. So can you share with us a specific success story?
I have this one client of mine na medyo close to my heart. This was back in 2006. A complete suite of different modules in all departments, in a typical enterprise or kahit sa small business, from sales, order fulfillment, inventory management, HR management. It's very challenged because there's a lot of, like nabanggit ko kanina, mga profit leaks, control issues, hindi siya fully compliant sa BIR when it comes to capturing sales. Para nagtulungan kaming dalawa because tinulungan ko siya dun sa mga challenges niya. At the same time, tinulungan niya akong ma-improve yung product namin. So dun ko natutunan, the first thing that you have to do, even before choosing yung tools or digital transformation tools that you'd like, is to review your current process. Diba? So what is your current process? And at the same time, what are parang gaps, doon sa current process mo? So yun, medyo, kung hindi ka masyadong technical or hindi ka familiar sa business processes and whatnot, medyo challenging yun, But of course, with the help of consultants or friends who, can help you in identifying those gaps, then better. So sa digital transformation, like I said, is not just, picking, itong software na to is okay, mag-fit sa akin to, gagamitin ko, and, solve na yung problem ko. I don't think that's the way to do it. Just like what I did with this particular client, with the help of his brother na accountant, dinefine namin yung mga gaps dun sa kanyang business processes. Like for example, paano ba siya nagka-capture ng sales? Paano ba siya nagko-control ng inventory and whatnot? Regardless of the software that you're going to use, it has to be defined. Then after that, ano ba yung ideal process to solve those gaps? And again, even before implementing software or tools, you have to define those. Ano ba yung output na gusto mo? Diba? Kung before wala kang on-time sales report, kung wala kang on-time inventory report and whatnot, so those things you have to define. And then from there, pag na-define mo na yung gusto mong end result or output, then that's the good timing to choose for the proper solutions or software or vendors who can help you achieve that goal.